We're now going to be looking at the subtract 1 strategy with subtraction. This step is pretty easy when you're using with friendly numbers of thousands. You can use it with any other one, but I recommend it mostly when it's all the zeros going on up here. So we're going to start with the number. There's two different ways of doing it. I'm going to show you the first way. First, it's going to be 20,000 subtract 4,811. Now, at the age of the fourth graders right now, a lot of them mess up with trying to set it up like this, or trying to with all the different regrouping that happens up here. So the easiest way is to get rid of the regrouping by just subtracting 1 from both the problem right here, both top and bottom. It gives you a new problem of 19,999 subtract 4,810. Now we have no regrouping needed. That's going to give me a 9 here, an 8 here, a 1 here, a 5 here, and a 1 here. So 15,184. And now I'm going to do the second way of it, which is, we'll start with the 20,000 once again. We're going to subtract 4,811. Now this way, a lot of people prefer, and that's going to be, you're going to start off by just subtracting from the one spot. Subtract 1 here. So now your new problem becomes 19,999 subtract 4,811. When you do that subtraction, same thing, you're going to have your 9 here, your 8 here, sorry, your 8 again here, then you'll come here, you're going to have your 1, 9 minus 4, it's going to give you 5, and the last step right here is 1. Now the most important step that most people forget in this is now that you took away the 1, you need to add it back into the problem to compensate for what just happened, and it becomes 15,189, which is the same here and here, and I will check it with the traditional algorithm. 20,000 subtract 4,811. This is going to be 10. This changes to a 9. This changes also to a 9. This is going to change to a 9. That will change to a 1. 10 subtract 1 is 9. 9 subtract 1 is 8. 9 subtract 8 is 1. 9 subtract 4 is 5, and 1 subtract 0 is 1. 15,189. It's all been double checked. The keys are, if you do it this way, you subtract from both the high number or from both numbers. Subtract 1 from both. Over here, if you subtract 1 all the way down at the very end, you add it back in to keep the distance of it, and that gives you your 15,189. So if you take just 1 from here at the end, you got to add it back in, or here you just can take from both beginning, and then that's going to be your original answer. That is the subtract 1. Two different methods.